Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik. On this guide I'm going to show you how to create an amazing slides with Elementor Pro. Okay, so in order to be able to make slides with Elementor, you have to download Elementor Pro, and I'm putting the link to download Elementor Pro on the description below. Now, after you have created a new page, you have to edit it with Elementor, and you have two options. One is to search the widget slides. Right here, you can just drag it here, and you can make some new slide with the page layout of Elementor full width. You can see it full width, and you can make it like this. You have to edit the section, make the content width full width, and then on the column, you have to edit it as well, and on advanced edition, you can make this padding 0. And now you have no padding, and you have slides that are stretched. As you can see here, you can edit as much slides as you want. Each of them can have a picture, an image. You can also add a color background right here. It has a little bit of delay, as you can see, but this is how you do it. After that, you can edit the image. You can add what image you want. Doesn't matter what. For this example, just put this one here. And now I can add a Ken Burns effect. I can make it do a zoom direction in or out for the effect. Also add a background overlay so you can see the titles and the description. The image won't disrupt the text. Here you can change the color. Here you don't have any delay, as you can see. And of course, make it responsive. Check the tablet portrait right here. Check the mobile portrait right here. And if it's too high, you can make it shorter like this. A second option to make beautiful slides is just to edit the section right here. So delete this slide, edit the section, make a height like this, 400 pixels maybe. The style of the background type should be slideshow, and you can add as much images as you want. Let's take for example 1, 2, 3 images, different one, create a new gallery and insert it to the gallery. Right here you can make it infinite loop, of course, make the duration 5 seconds or 3 seconds, it's 3000 milliseconds. And of course the transition should be fade or slide right or slide left maybe if you want, slide up or slide down. Of course you can make the transition duration even longer right here, and it will be, let's say for this example, fade, so the effect will be much longer. And on the background size I make it cover, the background position, center, for better optimized images. Right here I can make it a lazy load, optimize the website speed, but if you put the slides above all the content on the head or the hero section, it's not recommended to do that because it won't load for any user. So just take it off, but if you put it down the content, of course in the middle of the page or something like that, you can make it a lazy load option right here, make it a CS. Of course, also the Ken Burns effect in or out. Just check the responsive right here. Of course, make the layout, the height of this section even shorter on the mobile. If the image get cut, you can make it even shorter like this, and then you can see the perfect image and the slides works like that. So it's very easy to create amazing slides with Elementor Pro. If you have any more questions, you can write them in the comments below and I will comment. And on the first comment, I'll put the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can subscribe, comment, and share. And good luck.